So operators are looking at utilizing virtualization as a way to actually push different types of technologies into their network. They're looking for to support abstraction, to push connectivity deeper into the network. So for instance, DPUs, cable, HFC. So they're looking to be able to virtualize the management plane, be able to reduce some of the power and space constraints that they have, and be able to manage a network as they've always have done, but as it's being distributed and pushed out into the network further and further. So some of the main challenges we actually have with virtualization in the access network is actually even defining what virtualization really means. With SDN, with NFV, these are very overhyped terms, especially for this part of the network. So one of the challenges we actually see is not necessarily a technological challenge, it's actually an operational challenge of how operators themselves will adopt the technology and be able to deploy it to existing networks. Nokia's taken a very pragmatic approach for doing that, and so we're slowly rolling out different types of products to be able to address some of these challenges. So Nokia's approach with virtualization, again, is to be very pragmatic, defining the use cases that really are going to be driving the need for reduction in power, space, the ability to support multiple different types of access technologies in the actual physical network. So for us, virtualization is really going to be at the management plane, and then over time, we'll see it go into the control plane and data plane. But initially, we're working with standards organizations to define open APIs, very well-defined interfaces, and again, to support real life use cases and not just trying to meet a problem that we don't necessarily know if it really exists or not.